Pop quiz! What do these words have in common? They all contain the letter O in their spelling. But is the letter O pronounced the same in all of the words? No! American English pronunciation does not match with the spelling of a word, and this is especially true for vowels. The letter O can be pronounced in 10 different ways. That's just crazy. So let me help you with the American English vowels. I'm Julie from San Diego Voice and Accent, and I'm hosting a free vowels workshop on Thursday, April 7th at 5 p.m. San Diego, California time. I'll also work with one of you on your vowel pronunciation during the workshop. And I'll share a special offer for my brand new online course on the American English vowels. So join me on April 7th and finally master the American English vowels.